All right, we're finished our meal, finished eating, and now we're going to season the same cast iron skillet that I used. Now, I wiped it out and I dried it, okay? That's all, just water. I used water and I wiped it out. And now I'm gonna take, this is leftover bacon grease, bacon fat from when we cook bacon, lots of bacon grease. I take a paper towel and I take a dab of bacon fat, about that much. And I liberally coat the pan. Get the edges and the sides. The pan is still very warm, so it's sucking in the bacon fat into the pores of the cast iron. And there we go. And where do I store my cast iron skillets? Right here in the oven, and we don't use that much. Got the big one on the bottom, middle one on the middle, and the little one on the top. And this is great for searing. And that's where I keep my cast iron skillets and how I season it. It's very easy. I will not use any other pan other than cast iron. You can use glass, you can use ceramic. I prefer cast iron with no coatings. And it's heavy, but I got used to that. It holds the heat beautifully. You turn off the heat while you're cooking and the pan is still hot. You kind of learn how to use it. I never reach the smoke point ever when I cook. And I'm so used to using it. You can even put it out on the grill and use it on the grill. Have a good day.